Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change Netflix video quality. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to change your Netflix video quality, you can simply go and log in into your Netflix. Once you have logged in into your Netflix, all you gotta do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you simply do it, you can find the account option right over there. Once you simply go and tap open your account, you will end up in this kind of interface. There you need to simply tap open the manage membership option. And once you tap on manage membership, you will end up in this interface here. Now to simply change your Netflix video quality, you need to change your plan, as the standard plan gives you 1080p quality, whereas if you subscribe to the premium version, then you can get 4K video quality in Netflix. So this way you can change your Netflix video quality. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.